The diesel engine is an internal combustion engine which ignites the fuel by injecting it into the hot high-pressure air in the combustion chamber. The diesel engine has either a 4-stroke or a 2-stroke cycle. A stroke is to travel the piston between its extreme points. The 4-stroke cycle consists of an inlet or suction, compression, power, or working stroke and exhaust. This cycle is completed in 2 revolutions of the crankshaft. At the top dead center TDC, the inlet valve opens and fresh air is drawn in as the piston moves down, suction stroke. At the bottom dead center BDC, the inlet valve closes and the air in the cylinder is compressed as the piston rises, compression. Fuel is injected as the piston reaches TDC and combustion takes place, producing very high pressure in the gases. The gases force the piston down, and at BDC the exhaust valve opens. Ignites – воспламеняет, combustion – сгорание, injecting – впрыскивание, high pressure – высокое давление, inlet – входной, suction – всасывание, compression – сжатие, exhaust – выпуск, revolutions – обороты, crankshaft – коленчатый вал, combustion chamber – камера сгорания, power stroke – рабочий ход, top dead center – верхняя мертвая точка, bottom dead center – нижняя мертвая точка, inlet valve – впускной клапан, exhaust valve – выпускной клапан, extreme points – крайней точки, travel – перемещение, gases – газы, cylinder – цилиндр, fresh air – свежий воздух, complete – завершать, dead center – мертвая точка, working – рабочий, combusted – сгоревший, produced – произведенный, inlet closes – спуск – закрывается, high pressure – высокое давление, completing – завершение, move down – двигаться вниз. Помните, учиться значит расти. До встречи!